Here I have Alcatel One S 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the security and biometrics section, then to the fingerprint, then you have to set up your backup screen lock method. It could be pattern, PIN or password. Let's set PIN. Then you have to enter your PIN, then you have to confirm it. And you have to select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. You can show all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, or you can disable notifications like this. And now you can add fingerprint. So to do this, you have to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located here, and then just tap it with your finger several times, just like this. And fingerprint aided. And now, for example, we can unlock our device without entering the PIN code, with only just my fingerprint. Wow, as you can see, now it's locked, and now it's unlocked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.